name is Fofoe Augustus Nimely. I'm a Liberian, and I had this fall on my left knee about a year ago. And when I was in search of having my knee surgery done, I came in contact with IndiCure. When I Googled treatment in India, and having inquired from them, I met who was very nice and instrumental in giving me the necessary procedure, how to acquire the visa, process of getting to a hospital. And he was very instrumental in helping me, find me a very good hospital, at least, which is one of the best private hospitals in India, in New Delhi. And she also sent me the medical invitation letter, which I used with the Indian consulate in Liberia in acquiring a visa. And I was given a 6 months medical visa to come and do my treatment. She had been very, very concerned, calling me, sending me several emails, checking on me on the procedure and the process in coming to get my treatment done. Upon arrival in India, they have one of the best airports, I must admit. It's very beautiful. And she arranged for a taxi that came and collected me, picked me up from the airport, and brought me straight to the hospital. The treatment and the care have been they have treated me like a very important person, like a VIP. I came, went straight to 8 minutes, and I was admitted. The following morning, all of my tests were done, and I met a doctor. I do not know his name, but I understood he's the surgeon who will be operating on my leg. He appeared very confident, and I'm a very confident man as well. So when I saw him, my spirit just spoke to him, and I knew that he would handle my case and everything would go well. And since then, they have been checking on me. The treatment at the hospital during my test period was first class. They treated me so well and so nice. The hospitality in India is also beautiful, and I love this place. I even intend after my treatment, after my successful surgery, because I know it will be successful, because I know that the surgeon that is going to do this job is somebody who I feel and sense 100% confidence in and can perform the job. So I know that before this 6 months visa expire, I might be coming back to India. This time it will not be for medical reason, or maybe because of tourism, because I want to also see other cities and explore and know the culture and the lifestyle of the people in India. So again, I want to say a big thank you to IndiCure for all of the nice services they have rendered to me, kind calls, emails, text messages, making sure that I have myself taken care of. They have been so wonderful. And I can assure them that when I get back home after this successful surgery, any other friend, relatives, or somebody in Liberia I will come across with dire need for some medical attention, I can assure them I can do a pro bono service for them to always recognize or recommend them to people in Liberia for a beautiful job that they will do for them in India when they come there. So again, IndiCure Talks, and I appreciate getting in contact with you. Thank you ever so much.